In this video, I'm going to build more characters from Skibidi Toilet. You guys loved the last video, so I decided to do it again. And you gave me a lot of suggestions in the comments. I mean a lot. What? So I picked 5 different suggestions to build, including another Titan at the very end of this video. Let's get started. In my last video, I built a scientist cameraman. So now, it's time to build a scientist toilet. I used the same design for the large Skibidi toilet, but built it in gray. Then I designed glasses for the scientist Skibidi toilet, which are made out of these magnifying glass pieces. I built the white hair of the scientist toilet, and then added his robot arm. The scientist toilet invented the parasites, which I built in the last video. But the very first cameraman he infects with them is a large cameraman, which I haven't built yet. So, let's do that next. I built the large cameraman at the same scale as the large speakerman from the last video. It was a lot of fun figuring out his coattails and head, making them both accurate and posable. Now that we've built a Skibidi toilet character and a cameraman, let's do some characters from the TV people. In my meme video, I tried building a TV man like this, which just looked weird. But then I found a better solution. Using these Minecraft heads is the perfect way to build the TV men. The head is the right color and it's not too big or too small. I built 2 TV men and also added the TV woman. Now the Alliance can fight back against the Skibidi toilets. But watch out, there are some more dangerous new toilets showing up. Let's build the glitch toilet, who gave the Alliance a lot of trouble until TV woman finally stopped him. I built the glitch toilet similarly to my normal Skibidi toilet designs, but built him in gray and silver with the extra details on the front and back. Before we get to building another Titan in LEGO, here's how to build a police Skibidi toilet and a Strider Skibidi toilet. Oh yeah, and I even built this rideable Skibidi toilet. And now it's finally time to build another Titan in LEGO. I asked you guys which one I should build next, and almost everyone said I should do the Titan cameraman. The Titan TV man I built in LEGO was pretty cool, but he was a little wide. So I decided to learn from my mistakes and make the Titan cameraman with better proportions and a better design in general. This took a while, but the final result turned out so awesome. It looks just like the real thing, and it is so massive. But wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more!
I also built the Titan cameraman's upgrades, which make him the ultimate cameraman Titan. I built his gun and hammer, which just looks so cool. If you want to see what he looks like with his wings and jetpack, stay tuned for the next video, when I build the Titan Speakerman and the legendary Battle of the Titans. Also, please let me know what characters from Skibidi Toilet I should build next. There are still so many more to build in LEGO. Shout out to Epic Egg MSM, LEGO LGG Build, Rodkey4, and William Terenzio for sharing this video. Y'all are legends. Keep on building and I'll see you in the next video.